Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. So the first method is to reboot your mobile phone. So just restart your Android phone and then go back to the settings. Then here tap on Wi-Fi and then go to that network. So all you need to do is tap on this forget network. Now, once you've done here, go back to the settings, scroll down, and then tap on additional settings. Then here, scroll down again, then tap on developer options. Under the developer options, just scroll down, and then under the networking, just enable this Wi-Fi scan throttling, and then turn on this always keep mobile data on. And then once you've done here, go back to the main settings. And then from here, you need to tap on connection and sharing. And then scroll down, then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And then here, you just need to reset these settings on your Wi-Fi. So once you've reset the settings, go back to the network and try to connect to Wi-Fi. So that's how you basically fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.